The EAV6 LED display front service tool is an efficient tool specially designed for maintaining large-sized outdoor LED modules and floor tile screen boxes such as 480 by 320 mm. The EAV6 features a rugged metal housing that provides excellent durability and stability. This ensures reliable operation of the tool in a variety of outdoor conditions. The EAV6 uses the internationally renowned brand motor of Dyson. Dyson motors are renowned for their high performance and exceptional reliability, helping to make tools more efficient and reliable. The EAV6 front maintenance tool also performs well in removing and installing 480 by 320 mm LED modules, with excellent applicability and convenience. A 500x500mm LED floor tile screen usually weighs around 1-2 kg, which means a single EAV6 is enough to easily lift and install it. For a 500x1000mm LED floor tile screen, the weight is about 25 kg. It can also be easily lifted and maneuvered using two EAV6s.